Hello, friends. Hello, everyone. I'm here again, Roxy De La Rosa, and I'm gonna show you and share to you my seafood boil. So today, I decided to go to the wet market to find a fresh seafood, shrimp, and crabs. As you can see, still jumping. And crabs are so huge. So many. And went back home. As you can see, the shrimps still moving. I put them on a cold water to keep them fresh. So you can see they're still moving. While I'm preparing my ingredients, simple ingredients for my seafood boil. So I let them stay on a cold water and clean, and later I will cut the antenna. And now I'm gonna show you my ingredients. Of course, chili and a chopped garlic, and most important, the ginger, because ginger lessens the smelly taste of the seafood. So now I'm gonna cut the antenna of the shrimp. It's still alive, so I'm afraid to hold it really hard. Really, I don't want to press the body so it won't move. I think it takes time to clean because you need to cut one by one the antenna. And I bought 2 kilograms of shrimps. This is a sea shrimp, and as you can see, the color is blue. Like with crabs, we have blue crabs, so they all come from the sea. Sea shrimps and sea crabs. So I cut the antenna so when you eat it won't be messy. So while I'm cutting the antenna, I also prepared corn, and I started to boil the corn while cleaning the shrimps because it's one of my favorite. So going back to the shrimps, cut and cut. And already I prepared a boiling water. As you can see, it's already boiling now. So I will put my ingredients, the ginger, garlic, and chili. So it doesn't matter if you put the garlic first or the chili first. You can put all together, mix it, and let it boil for at least 3 minutes or even 5 minutes to let the flavor of the ingredients come out. So yes, let's wait for the ingredients to boil for 5 minutes, and then I will put a little salt. And now it's time for the crab. The crab is trying to escape from me. I think he doesn't want to be cooked. And as you can see, still alive and moving, so I'm a little afraid of touching. And this is really fresh from the market. It's better to buy fresh ones, so it will be more juicy and meaty. Alright guys, and now I'm gonna show you and give you some tips for the crab to not suffer while you will boil it, because I will stick some, you can just use any pointed stick or anything, but for me I use the chopstick and stick into the middle of the crab. So this is the one tip that you can use, you can do to let the crab not suffer from boiling, because you know the muscle will be relaxed, and when you put to the water it won't be like fighting, so it will be relaxed and it will be more easy for them. So first I will put the shrimps to the boiling flavored water. Yes, and mix it a little. We can let it stay for I think 3 minutes or 5 minutes. You just mix it. Seafood is one of my favorite food that I really missed once in a while, so I always show you how to cook shrimp. So this time it's shrimps with crabs. So I mix it and let it stay for 3 minutes, maximum 5 minutes. Then if you can see that it's really boiling and the color change, then it's done. You can put it on a tray. I love the color. The color really looks so fresh, and it really smells good. I hope you guys can smell it too. So I'm taking out the shrimps from the pan and put it on a tray. And then I will let the flavored boiling water to at least stay for 3 minutes of boiling again, because I will use this later for the crab too. Now I'm getting hungry. So while I waited for 3 minutes, then it's time to put the crab. So this is also one tip. If you want to keep the juices of the crab, you put it not this way. You put the shell like this way. Shell is under, like this. So it will be more juicy. The juices will stay inside the crab when it's like this, so it won't spill out. All right, so we wait for the crabs to boil at least 3 to 5 minutes. I think 5 minutes is enough. Or if you want more cooked, you can cook it like 10 minutes. You can leave it 10 minutes. So I'm gonna show you guys. You see that the crab is still complete. You know, the hands are still complete because I don't let it suffer from boiling. So you know, they don't fight when they get boiled. So as you can see, they're still intact, still full, still complete, right? So because sometimes if you cook, you know, the legs, the hands are already broken. So it's one tip that you stick in on the middle and stop the suffering of the crab before to boil it. And here's the final product, of course, with my corn and my sauce, my vinegar and chili. So thank you guys for staying with me, for watching. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I hope you guys can eat with me because it's a lot. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you again on my next video. And stay safe and God bless. I think it's time for us to eat now. They are waiting for me. Once again, this is seafood boil, Roxy style. Thank you so much for watching.